Okay, in this video, I'm going to correct two mistakes I have made. So first mistake, in the video with the title section 11.2 parabolas. Okay, let me make sure it's focused. Okay, parabolas part 2. Okay, so at 29 minutes 2 seconds, there was a example. The example to find equation of the parabola with focus at negative 4 directrix y equal to negative 2. Okay, that's the condition. Let's first locate those informations. And 1, 2, this is negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4. 0, negative 1, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is negative 4. And this is focus, negative 4, 4. Okay, and now let's check the geometry. The distance between the focus and the directrix is 2a. So 2a is 4 minus negative 2, 6, so a is a 3. This is a. And second, where is a vertex? Vertex is a midpoint. Vertex is a midpoint of focus and the directrix. It's vertical, so the x coordinate is 4. The y coordinate is going to be 4 plus negative 2 over 2, which is negative 4, 1. It's here. You have vertex. When you got this vertex, you can easily see that is focused or not. Okay, this is better. When you got the vertex, you can easily see it looks like this, because the graph cannot cross the directrix. So it's opening up along the y-axis, so it's x squared equal to 4ay. A is a 3, so it's 12y. This is a basic, the basic form equation for the basic standard position. Now the vertex is moved to negative 4 and 1, so we get x minus negative 4 squared is equal to 12y minus 1. So x plus 4 squared is equal to 12y minus 1. Okay, so this is the right one. In the original video, I draw the graph correctly, but I wrote this vertex wrong. So I'm sorry for that. And this mistake was found by Valeria. Thank you, Valeria. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, the second one. Okay, it's in the same date, in the section 11.3 ellipses, part 2, also part 2, at 17 minutes 37 seconds. Okay, at this moment, it was again a problem to find the equation of an ellipse. Example, the ellipse has a center at 1, 2, vertex at 1, 4, and the ellipse contains the point 1 plus root 3 and 3. Okay. My mistake happened when I tried to locate those points. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. You go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the center is 1, 2. 1, 2 should be here. 1, 2. In the original video, I put it at a 1, 1 position, so that's why I got a different constant. And the vertex is 1, 4. So this is 1, 4. This is 1, 2. We know that the distance between the vertex and the center is A. The distance between the vertex and the center is A. The distance between the focus and the center is C. This is A. Okay, so A is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And because there's no focus information, so you cannot directly find out C. You don't know C, you cannot directly get B. So we have to figure out in a different way. Another thing, this is vertical. You see, the center, the vertex, they are along the vertical line. So it's a x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared type. It's a vertical type. And the center is 1, 2, so it's x minus 1 squared over b squared plus y minus 2 squared over a squared is equal to 1. So a is 2, so the only unknown number is this b squared. So we get x minus 1 squared over b squared plus 4 y minus 2 squared is equal to 1. Okay, so if we can determine the value of b squared, we finished it. And now we use the third condition. This ellipse contains a point 1 plus root 3 comma 3. So it means the coordinates of this point satisfy the equation. So let's put it here. So 1 minus 1 cancelled. Square root of 3 squared is a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. Okay, and here we get 3 over b squared is a 3 over 4. So we get b squared is 4. We only need b squared. We don't care what b is. So go back, we get x minus 1 squared over b squared plus y minus 2 squared. I'm sorry, not 4. b squared, 4, and over 4 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. Okay, so in the original video, I put this place, I put this center at the wrong place, so I got a equal to 3. If a is a 3, everything will be changed. So that's the mistake I have made. But there's one more thing I want to discuss about this example. This example is special. A squared is equal to b squared. See here they have the same denominator. If this happens, this implies c squared is 0. C squared is 0. 2 foci becomes 1 point. And actually this is a circle, not ellipse. It degenerates to a circle because this one is equivalent to x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 4. This is a circle centered at 1, 2 with radius 2. Okay, so this is a degenerate ellipse. You don't have two foci. You actually just have one focus. One focus is just the center. Okay, it's degenerate case. But anyway, when we have center, we have vertex. We determine A. From A and from the center, we get this computation plus the point, we can determine b squared. For this b squared, we get this answer. And be careful, this is a vertical version, so a is below the y, b is below x. Okay, so that's the mistake. This mistake was pointed out by the Adriana and Jordan Ramos. Thank you, Adriana. Okay, I finished these two corrections, and I will send you the practice exam Tuesday. And if you don't receive the practice exam, let me know. Okay. Okay. Thank you.